Hi, Anthony Topping from Frame It All. I'm going to show you how to put together the animal barrier kit. We set up a one-level animal barrier around, and a new improvement that we've done to the animal barrier is gated the product. So we have these gates here, just swings open, and you can get in and pick your vegetables and make sure no critters get in. Now, one level might be good for you. You might have just small animals in your yard, rabbits and so forth, and this will do, great for that. But for people that have larger animals, you want to stack more than one on top of each other. So it's stackable. You can just slide one into each other like that, and the other gate. And there you go. You have two levels, and you could trim that off. And to complete the side walls, you're just going across with your tubes, plugging it in, and you have uprights over there, and it literally takes a few minutes to put together. And then this heavy duty gauge netting, which I use for deer netting for years and years, you just zip tie it onto the side walls and you're done. You have a two-level animal barrier to keep large and small animals out of your precious plants. We're going to go now over and we're going to show how to put the gate together. That's really most of the work, for the project. It can also integrate with our veggie wall. I'm going to show you how to put together one of the gate panels. And there's a few different connectors that we have here. So I just want to make it a little bit easier for you to put the gate together. So we'll start off with this piece here. It's the right side of the gate with the latch, and we take two of our square connectors here like so, and then we take the longer of the square pieces for your side panels, and then so the gate hinges, then we use one of the rounded tubes for this piece, and we have this square connector here with the round tube, so it slides in here like so, and we plug that in there. And then for the top piece, we're using these two guys that has a wider opening here, and we'll plug that in here and the round tube in there, and now we have the gate can now hinge. And then the last part of this is we have the netting. It's actually heavy gauge, plastic netting. We have separate pieces for the gates that will go on the gate, and then we just zip tie this onto the gate, and that's your panel. And then you're just repeating with the other one, and that's how you have it. So you have your gate here, and then to finish your square, you're taking the long tubes, right, and plugging that in, right. And if your garden is not a square and you have more than one of these kits, and you want to do different angles, it will angle to any direction. So you have that, and then on your far side, you have these connectors to do your other. They are with the round tube. And it's just that easy, folks. It's a really easy product to do. No screw gun needed, and you're just plugging in the tubes into the connectors and zip tying the netting onto it. And that's all it takes to protect your vegetables. Thank you so much.